Welcome to Woodland's Maths videos. Wee question for you today. Is x to the 0 equal to 1? Regularly asked this in class. And when we actually try to explain it, tend to start off with, well, let's have a wee look at these numbers. There's 16. Can you half that? Yes, I can. Can you half it? Yes, I can. Can you half that? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. And then I go to a half when I half 1. I then half a half and I get a quarter. And then I half a quarter and I get an eighth. Well, how does that work? Well, we then explain to the kids that's 2 to the power 4 because it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Then we do 2 cubed, which is 2 times 2 times 2. We then do 2 squared is 2 times 2. I then do 2 to the 1, which is just a 2. Now, guess what my pattern's going to be here? Well, it has to be a 2 to the 0 there, doesn't it? How on earth do you write it here? Well, goodness knows. But guess what the next one's going to be? Well, it has to be 2 to the minus 1 if we're following a linear pattern. And then 2 to the minus 2. And then 2 to the minus 3. So I'm going to jump that one. And this is going to be 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2 times 2. And this is 1 over 2 times 2 times 2. So I hope you can see 2 to the 0 is equal to 1. Well, how is it going to happen if I put a wee line down here? What about x to the 4, x to the 3, x to the 2, x to the 1, x to the 0, the dreaded one, x to the minus 1, x to the minus 2. Well, let's follow the same pattern here. That's going to be x, 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 x. I'm just using a wee dot there so it looks a wee bit less like confusion. This one is x times x times x. This one is an x times an x. That one is an x on its own. Well, what's happening each time? I'm dividing by an x. That gives me 1 again. And then I've got 1 over x. And then I've got 1 over x times x. So, if we follow the pattern correctly, I'm quite happy that x to the 0 is equal to 1. All done. Magic.